And here's my answer. This is the expression for the mean. This is the one for the variance. I run it. I get the exact same answer. I run it again from other example of equal variances and 10 and 12 as a mean. And miraculously, the correct answer comes out. 11 for the new mean and 2 for the new variance square. If you program this correctly, then congratulations. You've just programmed an essential update step in the Kalman filter, the measurement update step. That's really the difficult step in Kalman filtering. The other one, the prediction step or the motion step, is much, much easier to program.